Let's make a one skillet meal. We got some country style ribs, pork. Wash your meat. Chop them up. Aceite de oliva. That's olive oil. Into the pan. You don't need too much. And then turn that sucker on full blast. Throw the meat into the pan when it's boiling, bubbling. We want to get a nice sear on this. You want it on as high as it can go. Salt. Garlic. And then get your grease shit. Don't cover it though. While that's searing, cut up your asparagus. Kinda like that. See, one side is seared up, the other side's not cooked all the way. That's what we want. Turn the heat down low, and then add the asparagus. Add about 2/3 cup of washed rice. Mix it up a little bit. And then add a little bit of broth, whatever broth you have on hand. And then now it's kind of like a stew. Oregano. Some chili. And a little bit of bouillon. 2 scoops, about that much. And then cook it and cover it until it's dry. I'm probably gonna move it to a smaller flame. This is what it looks like when it's done. Yes, the rice is all the way cooked. And then this is what you're left with. Probably enough for 2 people. If you burn the bottom, don't worry about it. Don't mix it up. Don't mix it up. You'll ruin it. If it's cooking, stewing, and you mix it up, you'll ruin it. Anyway, this is what I have in my plate, and it's everything that you need for a meal. It's got a vegetable, it's got a grain, and it's got protein, and it's delicious.